The set arrives in a lightweight and handy transport case, filled with foam insert to protect the contents. Inside you will find the iLens-wireless goggles, with displays in augmented reality technology, a transparent and shaded displays visor, protecting them from damage, a USB-C charging cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter, a compatible charger, a USB flash drive with the user manual. The iLens goggles displays are completely transparent, but in low light conditions when necessary, a sun visor can be replaced with a transparent one. To fit the goggles on your head, you need to adjust the length of the head strap, adjust the circumference of the headband using the screw, and adjust the angle of the display module. The removable, magnetic forehead padding makes it easier to clean after work. The case also has a place for a power bank, which will provide power autonomy for the next 12 hours of continuous operation. The iLens-wireless goggles are a guarantee of precision, freedom and safety. Experience a new pinnacle of efficiency with iLens.